In this video, I'm going to briefly go over how to manage your database in Quotr and also how to onboard your old data. So this is all located on the database tab, which is right between the project and template tab. So if you're coming here the first time, you may not see any data on here. And perhaps the easiest way to get your data into this is to use the Item from Document button right here. If you click on this, it'll allow you to import old PDFs, CSVs, or Excel files you have of old bids. And the AI in Quotr will go in and read through your PDF and Excel and try to pull out items and costs and names for you. So in this case, it's found 83 items in my document, and I could add all these to the database, and then they would show up here. So once you have some items onboarded, you can do a few things to them. You can modify them individually by changing the names. You can change the material rate. You can also change the formula. So in this case, this item here has a formula which is P times H, which is perimeter times height. That means if this item gets added to an area block in the takeoff, it will calculate the square footage based on the walls. This is an easy way to speed up your takeoff because when you add this item, it'll automatically calculate the correct number of square feet based on the area of the room. Another thing you can do is also click Manage Labor Wages. So this is where you can add different laborers' wages, and you can even assign these laborers to individual items. So I can click here and I can assign this to our tile setter. A few other things you can do are you can add your individual items. You can add an entirely new custom item. You can add from the existing Quotr database. So this is a database from Quotr that's updated quarterly. It's got costs all around the US. So you can search for individual items, then base your customer database off of it. Or maybe you're looking for some other types and you can go to the Assemblies tab up here. And this is where you can add these kind of groupings of items. So you can create a new assembly and then add items from the database or something. And that's the basics of your database with Quotr. The database is stored completely securely and nobody else will have access to this database.